Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hey, here's my macros for the day. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Have a good evening. Hey there, getting stuff ready for tomorrow for work. I'm going to take the other half of my pizza that I made. I'm going to be letting my coworkers taste it. I'll plug it all in and then see how much of it I actually eat versus how much I share. And I have to take some more of my drink stuff and some chocolate electrolytes. When it's cold, I like to sip on that. I'm also taking that chicken and shrimp that I made up over the weekend. So that will be my main meal, and then however much of the pizza's left. And then I'm going to take along an egg muffin. So I'll have that in there. And then I'm taking along a cucumber. So I'm going to wash it off. And then I've got 30 grams of my light sour cream. And I'm going to do like I did the other day. I'm going to add some of the, I'm running low on it now. I'm going to add the everything bagel seasoning. And I'm going to mix that up. And tomorrow, I'll dip my cucumber into that and have that tomorrow at work. And this will give it a good, let it sit overnight and it'll all sit in there and let the, sometimes things taste better when when it just sits and has time to melt together. For that, I'll put this on. I'll put that down in here. And I gotta wash my cucumber and then I'll put that down in there too. I need a spoon. And I won't take a fork. So there we go. That's gonna be what I'm taking tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow at work. Monday morning check-in. Okay, that's where I am. So evidently, between 18 and 1900 calories is my home calories. Good morning, it's breakfast time. I've got my egg muffin and I cut up and I microwave for about 45 seconds, not minutes, seconds. Bye. I'm telling you, if you're watching this, Leslie, I am so sorry for always picking on you about being cold and for telling you you needed to eat a cheeseburger because I'm so cold right now. Hang on, I'm looking for my hand lotion. I'm so sorry that I was so mean to you. I'm so cold right now, like I'm shivering in my office and everybody else is fine and hot and everything else, but I'm so dadgum cold and I'm so sorry I was ever mean to you, Leslie. I'm sorry, pal. Buddy, oh chum, oh pal. I'm sorry that I was so mean to you. I'm so cold. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. I've got my cucumber. At first I thought it was a pickle, but I forgot. So I got my cucumber. So I'm going to be dipping it in my... Okay, and then I'm also brought my chicken and rice and Alfredo that I made this weekend. I'm going to take a small bite because it's kind of hot. And my pizza. I shared it with my coworkers and they loved it. They said they're going to make some. It's really good, y'all. This is that chicken crust pizza. They said out of everything I brought, this is their favorite so far. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah. And for theirs, I heated it up in the air fryer. I like mine soggy. I like a soft crust, but they like a crispy crust, so I knew they would want it in the air fryer. So I heated theirs up in the air fryer, and mine, I just did in the microwave because I like mine to be soft and just, I don't know, just how I like my crust. So I don't like the crispy kind, so I like the soft kind. But if you put it in the air fryer to heat it up, it heats up well. Okay, bye. So for supper tonight, I saw these things called Hasselback potatoes. And I've seen it a lot of times over the years. And I saw a recipe for it. I don't remember where, maybe Facebook, something last night. I'm going to try it with Rutabaga. And I peeled it. And I'm going to see if this can work. It's where you slice down, but you don't cut all the way through. So I don't know if this is going to work. So I'm putting a little stick on each side of it. And you slice down and slice down and slice down. And you hope you don't cut your finger off. But you're not going all the way through. And then the recipe called for you rub some oil on it. And then salt, I think. And you put it at 425 for 40 minutes. So that's a long time for me to go and not eat, but I'm doing it anyway. So right now I'm cutting my I have this cut. Okay, some of it went through, but that's okay. And there's a little piece that come out. So now I've got a little, my version of a Hasselback potato. And so I gotta put it on something to bake. Because it bakes at 425. So it's gonna be hot. I might as well do another one. So that way I can have another one for tomorrow. So hold up. Alright, so I don't have olive oil, but I got avocado oil. So I'm gonna drizzle this over it. And I'll work it down into the cracks and stuff here in a minute. Now, let's see if I can. Maybe I could should have fanned it a little bit. There we go. Okay. Ooh, that fan, this one fans good. Let's get down in there. It's gonna be nummy num. Okay. So now we got that going. Instead of regular salt, I'm going to use silly salt. This is that Pauladine salt. It's got salt, garlic, onion, mustard powder, black pepper, thyme, sage, and soybean oil. Yeah, that's not very clean, the soybean oil, but that's all right. So now, I'm going to work this all over it. And I'll start it off at like 30 minutes and see how it's doing. Since this is not a potato, you know, it might cook a little less, it might cook a little longer. Let me tell you, I have never come home and did, well, I shouldn't say have never, but I typically don't come home and do some elaborate something like this. Usually I come home and I want to just start shoveling. But I'm not, like, I'm in an okay place right now. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to pop this in the oven. Whoop. Let me open it. It's that side up, this side up, this side up, this side up. So we're going to try it. I will holler back whenever it's close to being done. And there it is. It's all done. They look pretty. They've browned up. That's how they look. So I'm going to take one and I'm gonna put it on this little plate here. I ended up doing it, I think it was about an hour. My neighbor came over and we've been visiting a little bit. But I had to set the timer longer. Let's see. Well, no, I will be patient. Hold on. I went ahead and did 4 of them. So that way I can have stuff to take to work. And now, A lot of times when you go out to eat, you get like a steak and potato or a burger and potato. So that's what I'm going to make. I have 8 ounces of 73% ground beef. And I'm going to do 30 grams of ketchup, which is about 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then I'm going to do 30 grams of G. Hughes honey mustard. So like I said, it's kind of like a burger type situation. So I'm going to have burger in a bowl and Hasselback, I think that's what they call it, Hasselback Rutabaga. Yeah. All right. Let's bring her up here. Sure seems awful close. There we go. That's better. Hey, how you doing? All right. Let's see what we think. That's good. Still has a little crunch, which is fine with me. And then whenever I take those to work and reheat them, that'll soften them up a little bit. But yeah, it's probably about 45 minutes, maybe to an hour, somewhere in there. And they got good flavor. You can hear it's still crunchy. It tastes good. I like them. If you make them, maybe turn it down to 400 and do it maybe for an hour to an hour and a half. If you don't like crunch. I ain't picky, so we know that. So I'm going to wrap these other 3 up, and I'm going to eat this, and that'll be my supper. Bye. I don't care what the haters say about all my rutabaga. Man, that was good. That was good. I could eat that every day. Oh. Yep. You hear it? You hear it? That's them angels singing again. Them angels are singing to me. They're saying, Terry, enjoy the bagel. The bagel. That's what they said. Okay. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. Bye.